For years, customers have depended on Motorola solutions to keep their businesses running and teams connected. We are proud to introduce MOTOTRBO R7, the next generation professional two-way radio in our MOTOTRBO product suite. We were able to build in outstanding audio that's both louder and clearer, so that's something we're very excited about.
A two-way radio at its core service is a communication device. That is the one thing it has to do exceptionally well. And so we test all of our products, R7, Ion, other P25 radios extensively, just to make sure that those technologies are well suited for the environment that they'll go into. The ambient noise with a single microphone, which is the legacy technology, the noise and the speech are mixed together, and the noise suppressor is often challenged to sort through that and figure out what is needed and throw away what is not wanted, right? All of the ambient noise. With two microphones, you can actually sample the ambient noise much more effectively so that the processing algorithm identifies the noise accurately, correctly, and it throws it away without impacting the speech. Time and time again, customers will tell us we need a louder radio. These radios obviously provide a real benefit if you can make them loud and clear, right? And so it's not just making it screaming loud. You need to find a way of making it intelligible, understandable when you're playing it at these very, very high audio levels. And so the R7 does that. The legacy MOTOTRBO devices will generally clock in at around 98, 99 dB fawn. The R7 device clocks in at about 102 dB fawn. In terms of the perceived loudness, it almost doubles it. And so that 3 dB is significantly louder.